Folks, on this little Holcomb land plane, I've crawled in here to measure the blade and make sure it is indeed a 12-footer. And while I was here, I thought I would just kind of give you a little quick video of what the box looks like, the box blade looks like on this thing. So I think it's in pretty good shape all the way around, guys. If you look around the edges right there, I don't see anything excessive wear, at least not on the inside. And when you look at the cutting edge on this blade, it's pretty fair, guys. It's straight, it's good and straight. I'm sure it's worn down a little bit because this is an older plane, but all the way across this plane, I do think that this is a good, solid little land plane. So, and I do think this has a good cutting edge. So again, I just wanted to show you that while I was inside here on the plane. And while I'm here, we'll take a look at the tires. The tires are holding air, sure enough, guys, but there is a little damage to them right here. So I did want you guys to see that. And we'll also, I'm going to step over the centerpiece right here, and we'll show you this one as well. And it's not the best tire either, guys. These tires are showing quite a bit of weathering and wear, and they all need replaced. So